Technology drives production at virtually every manufacturer. As you know, this technology is often specialised to your production. Cookie-cutter IT roadmaps are detrimental to organisations like yours. You may be feeling this right now. What you need is more than a service. You need a partner. A partner who stands with you as you scale and innovate, ensuring your data is always secure and your operations seamless. Say goodbye to endless email chains and phone tag support. Our specialisation in manufacturing firms ensure you get the support you need when you need it, because we know how important time is to your unique industry. We tailor our solutions to fit not just any business, but your business, addressing your unique needs and production goals. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations with reliable, trust-based IT solutions? Contact us today and let's build a future where technology empowers production every step of the way.